Top 5 day trading mistakes and how to fix them. What's up everyone, it's IQ Option Wiki. And let's talk about day trading. Whether you are an experienced or novice trader, it may be hard to avoid common day trading mistakes. While some errors may be obvious and easy to address, others might be harder to notice and manage. Let's take a look at the 5 most common day trading mistakes and how to manage them. The first mistake, and this is a big one, is trading against the trend. You see a stock dipping and think, this is my chance to buy low and sell high. But trends exist for a reason. There's usually a force pushing that stock in a certain direction. Going against that is like swimming upstream. Some people do make money trading against the trend, but it's risky, especially for beginners. So what should you do instead? Trade with the trend. Find stocks moving in a certain direction and ride that momentum. Use stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses if a trade goes against you. And don't be afraid to take profits when you're up. Remember, nobody ever went broke taking a profit. This one is huge. You see a stock going up and you get that FOMO feeling. You don't want to miss out, so you buy in without thinking, even if it goes against your trading plan. Or maybe a trade goes against you and you hold on, hoping it'll turn around. Emotional trading is a recipe for disaster. When you let your emotions dictate your trades, you're not thinking logically. So how do you avoid emotional trading? Awareness is the first step. Recognize those moments when you're feeling anxious, greedy, or fearful. Have a trading plan and stick to it. Your trading plan should outline your entry and exit points, your risk management strategy, and your overall goals. If you're feeling overwhelmed, step away from the computer and clear your head. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Chapter 3. Changing your trading approach too often. It's like trying on different hats. You wouldn't buy a new hat every time you saw someone wearing one you liked, right? The same goes for trading strategies. There are tons of them out there. Day trading, swing trading, value investing, growth investing. Every trading strategy takes time to learn and master. So before you ditch your current strategy for the next shiny object, give it a fair shot. Stick with it for a few months, track your results, and analyze your trades. Consistency is key in trading. Find a strategy that works for you and stick with it. Chapter 4. Trading just one asset. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key to managing risk. If you only trade one stock, your entire portfolio's performance hinges on that single company. But if you diversify your portfolio across different assets, sectors, and even countries, you're spreading out your risk. Diversification doesn't guarantee profits, but it can help you weather market storms. Don't put all your money into one stock or one sector. Explore different industries and asset classes. Consider adding some ETFs or mutual funds for broader market exposure. Chapter 5. Ignoring technical analysis. Imagine trying to bake a cake without a recipe. Technical analysis is like the recipe book for traders. It helps you understand the language of the market, identify patterns and trends, and make more informed trading decisions. Now, I know technical analysis can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Start by learning the basics, like support and resistance levels, moving averages, and candlestick patterns. These are the building blocks of technical analysis. Once you understand the basics, you can start exploring more advanced indicators and strategies. The key is to find what works for you and your trading style. Wrapping up, avoiding day trading mistakes. So there you have it, the top 5 day trading mistakes to avoid. There are many ways to manage them and reduce their impact on your trading results. Over time, you might feel more confident and realize that you have learned how to successfully manage some of the biggest mistakes day traders make.